guys! Great day! Welcome to Pearl TV. And in this video guys, as you can see, ito po yung ginawa kong ice cream yesterday. I do experiment ice cream because I have all the ingredients, okay? I'm making a homemade ice cream guys. Okay, this is a combination of evap, condensed milk, and then all-purpose cream, and then gata. Okay, so I put 2 big mango, ripe mango, and then I will put this to freezer, and then abangan natin kung ano yung magiging itsura. Kasi ang goal ko nito ay magkaroon kami ng ice cream ni Ate Shasha. Okay, so, tingnan natin kung yung ganong discard ko ay mag-produce tayo ng yummy ice cream. Okay, so guys, patakpan na natin at ilalagay na natin sa ref. Yung ginawa kong ice cream yesterday. I do experiment ice cream because I have all the ingredients, okay? So, may channel din naman talaga from time to time. I used to review all the food that I make. I cook, I make, okay, I made, and I bake, ayan. So, ayan guys. Kakakuha ko lang to sa inverter freezer. So, what happened? Wow! Alam mo guys, gusto ko ubusin yung 3 malalaking mangga. The problem yesterday is, habang gumagawa, akala ko nakuha ko na yung mangga lahat. Tapos sabi ko, asa na kaya yung mangga? Ang tagal eh. Hindi ko talaga mariko. Nandun lang pala, nakasuksok dun sa chile. Tapos na ako gumawa ng ice cream siya. Kasi nandito pala. Okay, so yun guys. Kutsara na lang guys ang kinuha ko kasi tinatamad na ako maghanap ng ano guys, ng scooper. Kung meron akong scooper, dyan yung talagang malaki na pang ice cream. Tinatamad na ako. So ngayon mag-scoop na tayo guys. Uy, ang tigas. Ang sobrang tigas. Ano nga ba, guys, yung ingredients ko dito? Ang ingredients ko dito, guys, ay 2 malaking mangga na matamis, na masarap. Condensed milk, evap, and then Nestle cream, and then, of course, the gata. Kasi nga, nag-experiment ako. So, sobrang guys, oh. Ganda. Pag may gata talaga siya, guys. Diyos mo yung lang. So, kailangan talaga may scooper. Eh, hindi ko mahanap yung scooper. Tinatamad na ako magkalkal kung saan. Ganyan. O, diba? So, tikman na natin. Pero yung mangga, sobrang tamis na. Perfect. Perfect. Sarap. Alam niyo yung ginawa ko guys. Ang mixture is half cup of gata, 1 Nestle cream, 2 malaking mangga, 1/3 of evap, and 1/3 of condensed. Okay, so ganun perfect. Ang sarap. It's a 2 thumbs up for me guys. I will make it to yan guys. Bye and thanks for watching. Try that recipe guys. Ang sarap. Ang solid, diba? Kailangan nyo ng scooper. Dito natamad ako maghanap eh. Bye!